right, here we go. So this is that kitchen I was talking about. I'm just loving this small side counter here. Man, it looks so good. Best part is my favorite part. The client really likes it too. They're not super sold on the sink counter. There's a little more brush strokes than what we were expecting, but we're going to see how the honed look will look, and if they like it, great. If not, I'll go over it again. But let me know what you guys think. I'm currently a little in the mid. It's kind of meh to me. However, the island is definitely the highlight of this pour, of this kitchen. Look at that. It is gorgeous, good edge work, just beautiful, stunning. And then lastly is our desk over here, and it looks good as well. Really like how it turned out. So we'll see how it goes with the kitchen once we do a honed look and go from there.